Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to record a voice without a mic. Open Capcut and import your clip so timing is set. Tap text, add your phrase, and place the text where you want speech to start. Once the text is selected, choose text-to-speech from the toolbar. This converts the on-screen string directly to audio. Make sure you preview the text for typos before generating, because the TTS will read exactly what you typed. Now pick a voice to hear a quick sample before committing. Once you hear the sample, adjust why and how it fits your scene. You can change language, voice, and gender so the tone matches your content. Then tweak speed and pitch to make it natural. Slower often reads clearer for tutorials, faster works for short captions. For precise sync, trim or split the text layer, and regenerate TTS for each segment so lines land with cuts. Also use fade and slash out on the audio track to avoid abrupt starts. Re-listen after each change. Now finalize by watching the whole video at normal speed to confirm timing and intonation. Make small edits. Add pauses by inserting ellipses or separate text segments, and use audio fades where needed. Export using your usual resolution and bitrate so the TTS stays aligned with video. If you need to revise later, save a project copy and export an audio-only file if desired. Troubleshooting tip: if a word sounds wrong, correct the spelling or use phonetic spelling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.